What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a little minute since I have seen you all. I want to come to you all more often than I have been. The only reason that I have not is because like the room makeovers and everything that I do takes a little bit longer, sometimes like a month to shop and prep for everything and then film it and edit it. But I do have some of those coming up for you guys. But in the meantime, so while we're waiting for those big videos to come out, I decided to come and do more DIY type of videos. So that is why I'm here today. I am about to try my hand for the first time at doing a resin application. Pretty much epoxy. And this is my lovely desk in my office. It has been through some hard times because I use it to do crafts and all other types of things. So what I want to do is do like a faux marble on it. I have watched a ton of videos and they all turn out really good. So I'm hoping that mine does the same. The first thing that I got was actually the resin, or it's basically like an epoxy, a high gloss epoxy. This is it. I purchased this from my local Hobby Lobby for 29 bucks. Yes, 29 bucks. And then after I purchased it, I saw a couple of people say that you can get it from Lowe's for like much cheaper. So if this turns out really good and I want to do more, then I'll definitely be doing that. But this is the epoxy. It comes in 2 parts. So you basically have the acrylic and the hard. My colors are, this is like a soft pink here. This is a spray paint. And for this, you can use acrylic, spray paint, whatever. This one is the Valspar Color Radiance. This one is called Rosy Cheeks. So it's like a soft pink. I have the Krylon Max Metallic Gold. I have another Valspar color. This is just white. And then I have an acrylic gray. Those are my colors. So what I did to get started, the only thing that I've done ahead of time was put some primer on my table. Like I told you guys, this table was beat up. I had coffee stains. I had all kind of marks on it. So I have primed it already. And now we are about to start this application. So I'm going to stop talking and get it cracking. Guys, for my first time, I am not upset at all. To me, it actually looks really good. It is still wet. I blended most of the gold, but then in some places I just kind of left it sitting on top like this, which I'm actually trying to debate if I like it, and I gotta debate fast because once it dries, that's it. Yeah, I think this one is just a little bit it's just a little bit too strong. We're just gonna smooth it out a little bit. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. That is it. My last step is to wait till it dries and then just put a clear coat of, oh my gosh, I can't even think, but it's a clear coat that goes on top. I'll make sure I put it in the description box. But thank y'all for watching.